buy a house, 100,000, the value can go up to 150, right? That value is not seen, something seen. So the payment to the owner plus the change in value expressed as a fraction of the purchase price. So basically, this is the formula. The return, so C is the coupon payment that you receive every year. PT, that means the price when you bought. If you buy at 1,000, that means this is PT, the price at the time that you buy. PT minus 1, that means the price in the following year. For example, if you buy a bond 1,000, the next year it becomes 1,100. What does it mean? That it has grown from 1,000 to 1,100. So how do we calculate the growth? Basically, the new price minus the old price divided by the old price, because we want to know the growth, that means the percentage. So if you buy 1,000, the price increased to 1,100 minus the old price divided by the old price. So basically it have grown 10%. Right? So this part here is the change in value. This part here is the payment that you receive in terms of coupon. When you plus both, it becomes return or rate of return. Okay. For example, the coupon pays you 100 ringgit, right? So what is the total rate of return? 100 divided by 1,000, which is 10%, plus the value have grown 10%. So your total is 20%. The return that you get in terms of money plus the increase in the value. Okay? So when I normally stress it 2-3 times, that means it is important. Okay. Okay, so this part here is known as rate of capital gain. That means how much your capital have grown. Okay? So the return equals the yield to maturity only if the holding period equals the time to maturity. What does it mean? If you buy a bond which is 25 years to mature, you buy it in 2000, the bond matures in 2025. If you sell it at 2025, your return will be the same as yield to maturity. I will show it in a table in a short while. A rise in the interest rate is associated with a fall in the bond price. Remember I showed you earlier, interest rate if increased, the bond price will decrease, resulting in capital loss if time to maturity is longer than the holding period. That means, if you buy a bond year 2000, it mature in the year 2025,